Hello and welcome. This is the Aquarius Weekly Taroscope for Monday the 14th of October, combining astrology and tarot to guide you through your working week. Well, dear Aquarius, do you find yourself with more confidence? Has the Vavavoom kicked in for you this week? The week builds to Friday's lunar eclipse, and what is climaxing via your writing, agreements, sales, neighbours, siblings, short distance trips, offers, proposals. This is a week of you sort of building up towards goals throughout the week from Monday to Friday. Monday will be about you and a client, a specialist, or key relationships to some degree in your life. What do you do about passion, the need to move things forward, or anger? The rest of the day will be inspired or for you to concentrate on gifts or possessions or ways of making money. Tuesday, which is when Mars goes into Virgo, this is about income, possessions or purchases. Your energy will take hold now, and I actually feel as if this is a very serious time about you achieving your goals around career. And I certainly feel at the end of the day that Mars moving into Virgo, where he will travel through to the 7th of December, so you are going to get a shot in the arm when it comes towards passion, actions and regarding your sex life. So Vavavoom for you Aquarians out there, reproductive needs. Everything feels to me as if there's some major financial needs that need to be looking at: loans, debts, inheritance, tax, insurance, bankruptcy, settlements. But I do sense and feel this is a great time for making things happen, but will you have to watch that some of the anger that stirs up in certain areas. I do believe that this is a time where the little Aquarian will start to come out fighting her own corner. And let's see what the cards hold for Aquarius for this week. Monday the 14th, this is to do with Pisces. It may well be a female friend or a female acquaintance. It's certainly a water sign person that offers a lot of support or care in your life. I do believe that there is a female that is connected, that there is somebody that seems to be around you on Monday that seems to give a lot of support when it comes to certain things or certain projects in your life. If you're a male, it could be a female that you're connected with that does support you or is entering your life at this point. When it comes to Tuesday, Tuesday is about things slowing down. You kind of feel as if you've had a bit of speed at the weekend, and all of a sudden things feel as if life is on pause. I want to say I just feel as if it's on pause for short term. It could be about the Aquarius pulling back, rethinking, going back into the little cave at this point in order to think about what you want and where you're going to next. When it comes towards Wednesday the 16th, this is about a past connection. So the Seven of Cups is about choices around love. It certainly gives me the feeling or the impression that the person around you may well have a past connection. You may well have known them before. I certainly feel here that passion and choices around relationships are starting to take shape. It is the card of choice, so there's some choices in the areas of love, but it can mean choices in work for you as well. When I get towards Thursday the 17th, you have the Death card, but this is the Scorpio card, so you may well experience or have contact from a water sign person. It can mean that the Scorpio period will be significant towards you. Checking your reproductive systems if you're a female. I certainly feel here that this card is about a new beginning. It's very much about a new year, a new rebirth. So you're letting go of the old ways, the old situations, the old patterns, Aquarius. This is a time of Aquarius. It's the new paradigm. It's about you moving forwards in your life. And I kind of feel this week you're going to get your mojo and feel as if life isn't so bad after all. When I get to Friday the 18th, the Seven of Wands, this is a card that says I've got a lot to achieve or a lot to do. So in your mental mind, in your mind at the moment, you know that you've got a lot to achieve to get from A to B. I certainly feel here that you're more than capable of achieving those goals, dear Aquarius. What the card is signifying is that it is a time of movement. It is a time of you changing things. Things aren't going to be on hold in your life. This is a time where you're going to start to feel like you're getting back in the saddle and things are starting to change. Seven of Wands is about achieving something within a work area as well. So you think long and hard, be proactive, don't hide away, get that motivation and get that mental state geared up for what's coming next. When we hit the weekend of the 19th and 20th, you've got the Five of Wands. Now this is telling you that you're going to receive good news. The wands are linked to work, and it says that will be some good news to come your way. The next 5 weeks will be important, so you may well not receive the news straight away, but it's something that the cards are telling you that is in place for before the end of November. Unfortunately, the Nine of Swords follows that. So this means to me, when I see the swords, it's about your mental mind. Sometimes you have a feeling of shutting out the world or shutting yourself away. I can't take on this, I can't deal with this, is the impression that they're giving me. But you know what, at the end of it all, don't forget there is good news coming at it. It's not all negative. It's just saying take one step at a time, prepare yourself. Don't be frightened of change or making those changes in your life. You're more than capable of doing it. It's just saying pace yourself. Some days are better than others, but I do feel and sense that this is about the new you. We are in the age of Aquarius. What has held you back before, dear Aquarius, is no longer going to serve you any purpose. This is about you letting go of the old ways, the old you. Don't push people away, let people help you. This card is sometimes about you blocking energies, but remember that Five of Wands is telling you that there's certainly good news to come into your life, and I do think that this whole situation around you now should be wrapped up in the next 5 weeks. Have a wonderful week, dear Aquarius. Keep motivated, keep those goals in sight. Until next week's scope, wishing you a wonderful week.